Today I will show you how to make Japanese sushi in my way. So let's get started. First you need sushi rice. Just wash the rice once to maintain starch in it and cooked it with some minimal water and some salt and let the rice cools completely. Now we seasoning our rice with 1 teaspoon sesame oil and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix it gently. Make sure you are not mashing the rice. Now it's time to move on to the filling. So I have taken 1 cucumber and just take off the end and cut it into the half. I'm going to take off the seeds so that doesn't leave out any water into the sushi. I love veggies, so I have taken as much as I can. But if you don't like it, you can take any veggies of your choice. Now let's moving towards our dressing. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons Thousand Island sauce, half teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon choice of your honey, and 3 tablespoons schezwan sauce. Mix it properly until well combined and keep it aside. Now it's time to assemble our sushi. First you need Nori Sheet. Nori Sheet is nothing but dried seaweed. This type of seaweed is extremely thin and very flavorful. Then I place my Nori Sheet on the mat. Then place your rice onto Nori Sheet. You need a thin layer of rice all over the nori. Now I just wet my fingers and spread this around so that doesn't stick to my hands, and I am going to leave 1 inch portion empty in the end because I want it to stick to itself while I am rolling it. Now it's time for filling. I'm going to add my veggies here, little bit off center. Now drizzle your dressing on all over your veggies. You can skip this also. Now sprinkle some chopped peanuts. Now it's time to roll the sushi. Roll this to itself while pushing your vegetable inside. Don't make your sushi roll extremely tight because otherwise it will just burst while you are cutting it. But it has to be little tight so that you can cut it properly. Now I am going to cut this into half-inch rolls. For this you need sharp knives so that you get very clean cuts. And your Japanese sushi is ready. Serve with soya sauce and wasabi. and enjoy. Guys, if you like this recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.